Hey there, today I will tell you about how to fix your GCash account is on hold. If your GCash account is on hold, don't worry. Follow these steps to regain access. First, check your email for an account deactivation notice. Open your email inbox and look for a message from GCash regarding account deactivation. If you receive this email, click the provided link to request account reactivation. After your account is unblocked, verify your identity immediately to prevent it from being locked again. You must fully verify your account within 48 hours after unlocking, or it may get blocked again. Step 2. Check for an SMS regarding routine verification. If you didn't receive an email, check your text messages for an alert from GCash saying, "Hi, your GCash account was put on hold due to routine verification. This is following GCash's terms and conditions." If you receive this SMS, click the link provided in the message to submit the required documents. Document needed for verification: front and back photos of 2 valid government issued IDs, photos of your signature on a piece of paper, proof of income such as income tax return, pay slip, business registration, proof of billing such as utility bill, rental statement. Now step 3. Contact GCash support via GG. If you didn't receive an email or SMS, you can reach out to GG, the GCash chatbot, for assistance. Steps to chat with GG: open the GCash Help Center, start a chat and type "account on hold" to get assistance. Be ready to provide these documents: 2 valid government issues IDs, a self-holding your IDs for identity verification, a screenshot of your phone or SIM settings showing your GCash registered number. Wait for GCash support to process your request. Processing time: it may take 24 to 48 hours for GCash to review your request. Check your email and SMS regularly for updates. Prevent your accounts from being put on hold again. Make sure your GCash account is fully verified. About suspicious transactions that may flag your account, keep your account information up to date to prevent verification issues. That's it. Follow these steps and you will be able to access your GCash account again. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.